Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Back up the iPhone to iCloud or via iTunes and confirm your Apple ID password. Once done, install the recommended transfer app on both phones and enable Android USB debugging so the devices can communicate. Make sure both batteries are above 50% and connect to the same Wi-Fi. Using a direct USB cable reduces errors. These steps let you start moving contacts, photos, and messages immediately while preventing interruptions or lockouts during the handoff. You now perform the core transfer. Run the app's data migration and choose contacts, photos, videos, and calendar entries. Watch the progress and verify item counts once finished. Next, migrate SMS using the app's message option or restore from the exported backup file if supported. Then sign into Google on the Android and reinstall apps from Google Play, remembering some paid apps or in-app purchases may not carry over. By splitting media, messages, and apps, you reduce failure points and can retry only the failed category. You finish by signing into all accounts and reauthorizing two-factor authentication where necessary. This restores synced mail, calendars, and paid content access. Once done, set default apps and review permissions so notifications and data flow correctly, and be sure to turn off iMessage on your old iPhone to prevent missed SMS. If something is missing, retry the exact category from backup or export missing files manually. This single troubleshooting tip, check your original backup before repeating, fixes most transfer gaps quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.